Next case number 2. So in this question you have to apply the second equation for finding the sum of an AP. Okay, I will tell you how it comes. First part, 7, 10, 1 by 2, 14 and plus 84. You have to calculate the sum of this AP. So you can write A is equal to first term 7, an given, last term given, that is 84. Here you can denote an is equal to L is equal to 84. D is equal to second term 10 1 by 2 minus first term 7, that is 10 1 by 2. 2 is the denominator, 2 into 10 20, 20 plus 1 21 minus 7. So you can write 2 here, 21 minus 14, 7. 7 by 2 will be D. So D is equal to 7 by 2, A is equal to this one, N is equal to 84. From this AP you can write all these terms. So what is the equation? Sn is equal to what? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Okay, what is L? L is equal to an, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. So first you should calculate an here. So what is A? A is equal to 7 plus n minus 1. So we don't know the value of n minus 1, but we know what is an. An is equal to 84. So I am substituting an is equal to 84 here. So A plus n minus 1 we don't know. What is D? 7 by 2. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to this 84 plus 7 comes here minus 7. 84 minus 7. So you will get it is equal to 77. So n minus 1 into 7 you will get 2 comes here. So 77 into 2. And n minus 1 is equal to this 7 you have to divide. 77 into 2 divided by 7. Cancelling these two you will get 11 here. So 1 into 2 into 11 is equal to 22. N minus 1 is equal to 22. So n is equal to this 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. So this, by using this, L is equal to, this is the second equation. So L is equal to an, A plus n minus 1 into D. Here we have an 84. I am substituting the value of A and D, then finding n here. This type of problem we have solved in previous exercise. Okay. Now we got n is equal to 23. So if you are getting n is equal to 23, then you can apply this equation. Now I am calculating sum of 23 terms. S23 is equal to n by 2 into A plus L is the equation. What is n? 23. We need n, value of n. That is why we calculated here in these steps. Okay. So 23 divided by 2 into what is A? First term 7 plus what is L? L means an, last term. So that is 84. So 23 divided by 2 into 84 plus 7 is equal to 91. Okay. After that you will get 2093 divided by 2. This will be the sum of given AP. Okay. So for finding this, first apply the equation L is equal to n is equal to, you know the equation A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the value of n. N is equal to 84 from here, last term A and D. Then you will get the value of n. After that substitute all these values in this equation, you will get the sum. Okay. Second part, do it as homework. Third part I am doing here. Okay. Minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus etc. till minus 230. This is the next question, third part question. Okay. So for this question, what is A? A is equal to minus 5. I am writing A is equal to minus 5, D is equal to minus 8 minus 5. First term, second term minus first term. So you will get minus 8 plus 5, which is equal to minus 3 is equal to D. And last term, An is equal to L is equal to what is last term? Minus 230 is the last term. So we can apply the equation an is equal to L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. I am calculating the value of n. What is L? 230 plus what is a? A is equal to 230 is equal to value of a is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into value of d is equal to minus 3. Okay, so after solving this equation we will get n is equal to 76. You should solve this equation. Okay, normal mathematical calculation. So you will get n is equal to 76. After getting value of n, substitute all the values in this given equation Sn. Value of n is equal to 76. So S76 we are going to calculate, which is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So n is equal to 76. 76 divided by 2 into value of a is equal to minus 5 plus value of L means an is equal to minus 230. So we will get 72 by 2 into this answer. Final answer should be minus 8930. This will be the sum of all the terms. Okay.